day traders. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading, and we are looking at AMD just like every morning. It hasn't really done much. It closed at 23.50 yesterday. It's right now looking like it's going to open right there at it. We got that 23.50 is going to probably act as resistance for a second. We got 23.40 is kind of the pivot point right here. After 23.50, we're good until 23.68ish. And what's crazy is this is the least amount of volume I have ever seen, ever, on AMD pre-market. So I don't know what to expect for the market open. SPY's kind of been trending its way up this morning, so we'll have to look and see what happens. I've decided I had that little EMA crossover glow going on my charts, and I think that was keeping me from seeing the overall trend. That was telling me pretty much, an estimation of where momentum was, where it might go, for more or less the shorter period of time, when it might reverse, things like that. But it would cause me not to get in on a short sometimes, because it was showing, that it might be upticking, and when in reality, if you look at this right now, this is, I can easily tell that's an uptrend. It's not a very volume-packed uptrend, but it is. But in a situation right here where this red dot is, that's where they would have crossed over, and it would have done it a couple times here. So it would have got me leery of getting in if an opportunity presented itself. So I'm going to try doing this without that for a while. We're just going to use support lines, resistant lines, and we got 3 seconds till the market opens. If I happen to get an arrow on support or resistance, then that'll just be good for me. But let's see if this thing works its way down to 40 and what happens there. I was going back over trades last night because I just haven't been doing that well lately. And definitely some of my mistakes were buying the first minute or two. But that's just low probability buying at that point anyways. It's kind of a, at best 55-45 chance that things can change so quickly in the first minute. Also, I went back and looked at the times I would have been a winner if I let it hit the resistance, bounce off, and then hit it again, or break through it, come back and hit it, and then go down, and my winning percentage was a lot higher. So I'm going to try to do that going forward. Wow. So we usually have 1 to 2 million in volume the first candle. We got 389. Yeah, my gut was telling me to short here, which it would have been a good one already. I just saw SPY going down and Nvidia just washed out, so we had a little level of support right here, or resistance, so 3 cents away, that would have been a pretty good little short. But I'm trying not to jump in so quick And sometimes I'm going to end up missing stuff like that. Wow. Messed up there. Could have got a lot better price if I was going to short there. I need you to follow now. Alright, we got some support at 23.31-ish. We want to break through that pretty quick here to be happy. Nvidia's at a level of support. I'm trying to watch both of them, see if that cracks support there. This might go with it. It's got a little bounce over there on Nvidia. Alright, let's get through this. After this, where we go? We got 21 after this. Alright. Come on now. Get through it. This thing doesn't get any volume. I don't think it can go up. Work your way through there. There's a pretty good amount of people there at 30. There we go. Got half of it. And you see it break through 23.20 here for things to keep going. If we can't hold this, 23.31. I'm not going to be super excited about staying in. Nvidia's bounced off its level of support. Get down there now. Alright, we gotta get down now, or we're building an uptrend. Hopefully this is just a little pullback and we're going down some more. I had a feeling this morning that we could be testing that $23 mark again this morning and possibly break today. We couldn't get through it yesterday. Alright, we're right there at support. There we go. Cancel. I did hit the wrong button there, guys. Shit. Why won't it work? My hotkeys are being buttholes right now. Let's see. Let's click here and then click back here. I don't want. Oh, I know why. Because I got a damn order in. Well, shit. I missed out on... I was trying to lock in when we were down there at the 20 area. Alright. We've locked in 105. We want a 33. We don't want this thing to go above 30, so let's put this thing at 33. I think 15 would be nice. The rest of it. All right. Well, this is great. We got we've locked in $105 for the day, and this thing is just dying. So we got a 15-cent trailing stop on right now, and I don't see anything big as far as support goes till we got 23.11 then 23. So I'm looking up at SPY right now. SPY is really downtrending. Nvidia is, but it bounced on its support level, and it I think if we break this, if we get past that 21 there, I'm just gonna get out and call it a good day. give it a couple seconds right here. Actually, what I'm going to do is put in a 3-cent stop right there. So if it, now I don't have to sit here and debate whether I'm going to do it or not. Wash out. Alrighty, looking good. Starting a little, if this doesn't drop here, starting a little uptrend. So I'm about to probably be out. Okay, I'm out. That means it's gonna death drop. Anyhow, we have 14 minutes into the market, $145. That's the way I want to trade right there. And I'm probably going to be done. Yesterday I was up at one point about this amount and then didn't lock in, but about 90 something of it, and then I pissed it all away. So yeah, so if I had my little glowy glows on that I had before, let's throw it in there real quick and see what it looks like. So this thing is still showing, you know, a downtrend, which I mean it's still in a downtrend, but before I probably would have waited until, you know, probably 23.33, which might be, you know, it might bounce right here and come back down, but I've got to start protecting profit and just remembering that green days are good days. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and close this now. This will be a short one compared to the rest of them. If for some reason I jump into a trade and it looks good, I might fire it back up and do another one, but I think I'm just going to call it a good day. You guys have a great evening, and I will see you in the morning.